Okay, this is from last Saturday, and I'm gonna talk a little bit about your arms, what your arms are doing. You're doing what's called an arm bar. Right off the bat, your left arm goes straight and just kind of rotates around. And I'll go back and look at this video, and you'll see that the guy on the left, his arms are a little bit bent, so that he's really getting his hips into it, and you're just kind of swinging with your arms a lot of times, especially pitches that are away from you. That pitch was a bit away, and it's also very helpful to compare what you're doing compared to guys that are the same age as you, and the amount of energy that they're putting in it versus you. You're putting in as much energy into your workout as you can. Obviously when you slow it down, it looks like you got slow hands, but it's not necessarily the case every time. But, if you go back and compare and you look and you stop the video and you see, okay, these are frame by frame, and when his bat head gets flat and yours gets flat, are you keeping up with him? And, that kind of energy. Also, I want to make sure that you're getting your foot down, your front foot down in time. There's just a lot that goes into hitting, and we'll start, working on this. You're going to get better by just seeing yourself. That's going to help. You see how when you're swinging right there, I call that throwing a hoop, and that's when your right elbow comes underneath like that right there, and you kind of just throw. It's a term called throwing the hoop, and you want to try to keep your back elbow from going towards your navel. Also, this kind of a drill, you can see your foot is still in the air when the ball is halfway there, and really your toe needs to be touching the ground by the time the ball is halfway there. And you can just see every time your foot's still in the air and you're getting jammed pretty consistently. So that just tells me that you're not starting on time. You need to be starting about right there, and again, you just get that foot up the same way, but you start right there and your foot will be down on time. And it's just inconsistent. So your foot is going to be still in the air, halfway there, it's still there, and then you get jammed. All the pitcher has to do is just flick his wrist a little bit to put a little bit more on it. Now I'm really slowing this one down. You'll see that really right in there, your foot is still elevated, and it needs to be down. So we'll work on that when we get back together, and go back again and look at this video as many times as you can, and that will help you.